My name is Mivon Prince Leva. I'm studying at SAE Institute in Byron Bay, and I'm currently at Bluesfest, Byron Bay 2018. So good to be here. We're pretty much in charge of the social media team, doing some template stuff, doing some design stuff.
With graphics, obviously, with photos and things like that, I can use that with projects. Having Bluesfest experience, it gives me an opportunity to have that on my resume to then get a better job that I may not have the experience with, going with another university.
We went to see Tash Sultana. I was like, yes, this is something I wanted to see. So it's really cool to do work and then play. The vibes, the people, the atmosphere, the opportunity. You gotta go SAE. This is where it all begins.